That is delicious.
We are making chicken tacos. This 3-ingredient recipe is super easy. Just put in your chicken breasts. Now the recipe calls for 4 chicken breasts. I personally only use 2 chicken breasts, and that gives us a lot of leftovers for our 4 people in our family. So I would say a huge chicken breast like this, 1 would be plenty for 4 people, but we want to have leftovers for lunch, so I'm putting 2 chicken breasts in. Then if you buy the packets of taco seasoning, just put 1 packet in there. I don't, I make my own, and it costs me just 10 cents for a huge bottle like this, which equals about probably 10-15 packets. So I just sprinkle that on there. The recipe is in the link in the description below and in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1. And then add 1 can of Rotel tomatoes. And make sure that the tomatoes are evenly distributed over the top. We are going to put this on low for 6 to 8 hours, or high for 3 to 4 hours. And then we are going to let this simmer until the chicken is tender and can be pulled apart with 2 forks. Okay, so we got our chicken. Oh my goodness. Look how delicious that is. So just shred your chicken really well. Just like so. That's what slow cooking chicken will do. Put in our tacos. Yum. And number 2. We have our lettuce and our cheese. And there you have delicious slow cooked tacos. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be so delicious. Mmm. Oh wow. Now, Mike really likes garlic, so I'm gonna keep my garlic pretty chunky. Then I'm gonna take my chicken breasts, I'm gonna cut them in half. Just like so. A little bit of olive oil, and of course butter. We're gonna let that melt. Then while our butter is melting, adding my seasoned salt to my flour. Get that all stirred up really good. My chicken. And just coat it really well in the flour. Just like so. I'm gonna put it in my pan. All right, so then you're going to put a couple of tablespoons of flour in your oil and get it all mixed around and let it get cooked. Then you're gonna add your garlic. We're gonna brown our garlic. Let that cook about 3 or 4 minutes. Then we're going to add our chicken broth. We're gonna let that thicken. Okay, see how that's gotten nice and thick? Oh my goodness, that smells so good. That looks so delicious. That is delicious. Shh, don't tell the boys.